Guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Learn Igbo on IGBOTIC. No, this is the continuation of the video you guys just watched. Did you enjoy it? How did you see it? Did I try? How was the performance? It was not easy. That video was edited raw. What you saw there was a raw video, 90% of what we did. Of course, I deleted some clips which they were making noise, running around, climbing on the table, and trying to distract the video as it was on. If you look at the videos, how it played, it wasn't that much chaos, but you trust me, gathering kids around to learn something and to focus on camera was not that easy. Those parts were the parts I took out, and that is it, guys. We are still on the process. I told you guys that my motivation in this channel is what motivated me really to start teaching Igbo on this channel was basically because I'm already doing it in the house. You see my kids, I have 3 kids at the moment. I'm already doing it in the house. It's not easy. I've been so intentional. I'm trying to make them to learn this our beautiful language. We are teaching this Igbo on YouTube started because I asked myself, if I'm teaching them this Igbo language and being so intentional, why don't I start doing these videos on the screen just like I'm doing now? Because it has not been so easy. And the thing there is that what I plan to do is that from time to time, when she's just 4 years, she's still learning words and all. Of course, learning words, you put it that way. But there's this age that she's going to come to. She'll start going to my channel to learn to watch some videos and come and tell me what she learned. And I still have to go back to that video to know if it's really what I taught in that video that she learned. That is why I told you guys, participate in my channel, because I'm teaching videos here not based on because I want to teach, but for something that will also benefit my kids, which means I am being so much intentional, so much careful, and putting so much effort. If you look at when I started this channel and how many of videos I have done, you will see that I have done way more than videos I should have done in that short limit of time. That is because I am pushing more content. And if you take a closer look at my channel, you also find out in addition that I have playlists. This is this playlist I differentiated. That's so it will be easy that when she goes there, or when they go there to go and learn, the one and play one video, it will start playing one after the other. If they take their time for 30 minutes and play videos one after the other, they will definitely learn some things. And if you check on my channel, I have opened a new playlist where I just said phrases. This is where I'm just going to be pushing in just phrases, words, and I'm having another one that says phrases, faceless phrases. This is where you'll be seeing me talking in the background and I'm showing you the thing. And another playlist I'm going to have on this channel is going to be phrases, sentence, that is full sentence that I usually know that they're finding a little bit difficult to say. I am not with my book here, but I have a book where each and every word that I try to say to them and they're finding difficult to say, I usually go there to go and put it down. Guys, if I tell you it's easy, I am lying. But I think consistency pays, because each time I try to get encouragement from 1 or 2 persons. Yes, do I have my weak moments where I just ask myself, is this thing going to work? Because I don't speak English. I don't speak English in the house. My husband does not speak English in the house. And yet, these kids, I don't know how they find it to be speaking English. Even if I speak Igbo to them, they try to reply me in English. But I still have to go back and tell them to repeat it in Igbo. It's intentional. It's been intentional, and it's not easy. And when they are playing, most times they play in English language. I don't speak English, but they play in English language. And I still come to them and tell them, please, can you just change this thing you're saying to Igbo? Say it this way. I am where I am doing something else, and I'm still is dropping to hear what they are saying, if they're actually speaking Igbo, why or not. And where I am and they are playing, I'm hearing their words in Igbo and I'm throwing out words there. No, say it this way, say it to him this way, say it, because I believe that if the first one becomes very fluent at this stage, the other ones are going to fall in. And another somewhat encouragement that I get in this journey as well is I have met few people that said I should just continue, I shouldn't give up, that it's going to pay, because they can remember when their parents also, when they were little here, one was 6 years, she said she can remember when the parents also taught her, we are teaching them Igbo, that at the time when they were like 6-7 years, they picked up and still using some words that they weren't using before. Yes, I agree with her, because sometimes in this house, my daughter, she said she makes something in this house, my daughter, she makes sentence that I wonder, when did she learn this one? When, it was, but I'll come and remember that I have said it one certain time ago. But there's this thing in the brain, there's this place in the brain that says, that stores information. Cerebellum, right? or cerebral that stores information that you use it. You know, there's a time that occasion that thing that needs that word to be used. You see yourself using it. I also have a language I'm learning in this. This is my old age. I have a language I'm learning, and at that language I've gone into 70% of it. And there are sometimes I use some words, and I am amazed when I use that word, because I'm like, how was I able to use this word? It's been long I heard about this word, but how am I able to use it in this particular sentence, in this particular place in time, and it shoots so well? That is to say that what they told me actually is true, and there's a part in your brain that actually stores this thing, and you see yourself using it at the right time. So you told me I should not worry that when they get to like 6-7 years, they'll start using sentences that I use. I'll say that I'll not even be working so much to make them to learn, but at this stage you can see how old they are, you can see how little they are. It's not that easy. Thank you guys if you enjoyed that video that you just watched, because I posted that one before I'm posting this one to hear what you guys are going to say. So if you actually watched that video that you watched now, please put that in the comment section and tell me if this is the kind of content you're going to be liking. Of course, they won't be coming to this channel every day. I'm going to just find a way that I'm going to be putting them on this channel. Just tell me in the comment section if you like it. Share to your friends and family, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.